have the side over here. So in this case, I still have two angles like I had up here with the angle, side, angle, but this time the side I'm looking at is not between the two angles. That's how you know the difference. So I'm going around my triangle and I go, oh, angle same, and then this side that's not between those two angles is the same. So that's what I'm looking at. Open this up. We have two more. We're at the last part of this. So we have angle, side. So we have to know at least one of the sides in order for this to work, because we have to make sure that it was the same size. And we could have, like I said before, we could have three angles be the same, like this, and then I can make it, stretch it out, and my angles will still be the same, but my triangle now will have longer side lengths. So we have to know one of those sides. So we have angle, side. So here is one triangle, and this is STU. Angle U is 42 degrees. Angle T is 76 degrees. And the side over here between side SU, angles SU, is 15. So if I take this and then I reflect this, then I end up with a triangle that looks kind of like this. And so I have over here now, I have angle VWX. And then if I've reflected it over here, this is 42 degrees. This over here is 76 degrees. And over on this side, it's 15. So again, I see that I have this angle on this side. It doesn't matter which direction you go in. And this goes going angle, and then this side. And on this one, I go the other direction because it's a reflection. Angle, same, and then side. And notice this side is next to the angle of 42 degrees, and so is this one. So I know it's the same side. And then the other side has no measurement. Well, we could figure it out using the triangle interior sum theorem, but I'm not showing that to you. And so if I have this, then my geometry statement would be triangle STU is congruent to triangle VWX. So STU is congruent to triangle VWX by angle, side. So now I can write this out in English, and it says if two angles and the non-included side of one triangle, that's my if part, if one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. All right, last one we have is the hypotenuse leg. So this one's kind of like in its own ball field. It's a little different than the other ones because we only have two things we're looking at. That's because it's a right triangle, so we're kind of given one of the angles always will be the same. So this is the hypotenuse leg is what I'm looking at in this case. So here's a right triangle. This is going to be A, B, C. Remember this little square there means it's a 90-degree angle. Therefore, because 90 degrees is a right angle, I know this is a right triangle. So I know this is my right triangle. Across from that is going to be my hypotenuse. So that's going to be B. And then the legs are the two that come off of the right angle. And so in this case, I have leg A and I have leg C. So my legs, in case you forgot, are those two. And so in this case, I'm looking at my hypotenuse.